Hey everybody, how you guys doing today? My name is Ben. You can call me Editor Ben for this context. I know normally we just start with the movie, but here's the problem. We went canoeing. We were going to do a 10-mile run. It was going to be a 3.5, 4 hour day. We were going to have a nice picnic, stop along the way, and enjoy our time. But the day we went, or maybe it's all season, I'm not quite sure, the river's low. So the guy talked us into doing only a 4 mile trip, and it didn't last that long. So I have about 7 or 8 minutes of a canoeing trip for you. And then here's the other thing. We went camping about a year and a half ago. Same thing happened. I didn't have quite enough footage to put out a video. So I'm throwing that footage in at the end of this video. So now you're going to have canoeing and then camping, and it's all going to be all good. So double feature coming at you. Without further ado, here we go. We're dehydrating some peaches. We're going to go on a nice long canoe trip tomorrow. Good morning. Gonna make some eggs. We're going canoeing. First time ever dehydrating. Turned out pretty good.
Sneeze again. Oh.
What ambience. We're out on the Allegheny. Almost feels like Jamaica or like the African Congo. Oh, there's a rock. Dead and down. Here's the moon. I'll have a peach. Allegheny National Forest, or Cook's Forest. Kind of separated ourselves from the rest of the group. We were going to do a 10-mile. The guy told us the river is low, and in his words, I'm a big boy and I'd be walking a lot. So we decided to do the 4 mile, which is fun, but it'll be pretty quick. So right now I'm just watching Emily paddle. She's doing a great job. Oh yeah, I should have been paying attention. Glad we got up here early.
Yeah.
Let me know if you see any other big rocks like that.
Okay, Cheerio, darling.
There you go.
There's a rock, Go left, go left, go left,
left?
go left, left. Now, I think that was good.
Look at this.
What?
I'm videoing you.
Cheerio, darling. Look at this dude.
Oh, it's getting a little deeper.
Alright. Something smooth.
Last week we were in Michigan, and this week we're back in Allegheny. Kind of nice. This is the scenery we're kind of used to. Trees and mountains and everything. Although if you go north of where we were in Michigan, like we went up to Silver Lake, that's some of my favorite geography and like landscaping, natural landscaping I've ever seen in my life. There's beauty everywhere. You just gotta find it. Right, Em?
Correct.
Check this out. The hydrated peach we made last night.
Local.
Very good. And it was locally grown. That's nice. Hit? Oh, we're alright. So every time I pull out the camera, man, we just missed it. That was the wildest part of this whole river, I think. That's like a class 0.1. But dude, it was great. We threaded the needle, man. It's a nice day on the Allegheny. Sing it, Em.
What is it?
A nice day on the Allegheny.
It's a nice. Oh no, I can't.
It's a nice day on the Allegheny.
I'll dance for you.
And just like that, it's coming to an end. It might feel like I didn't film a lot, but it also feels like we didn't canoe a lot. They say 4 mile, but dude, I don't know, unless the current's way stronger than I thought. We'll have to map it out and see how honest they are about how long their routes are. Ready for round 2? So are we. Let's get cracking. We made it camping. We're up in Allegheny, kind of the mountains, Cook Forest, Pennsylvania, farther in this time. We're here for the whole weekend. It's Labor Day 2022. Look at this. Eggs and bacon's on the fire. It's the life, man.
And berries.
And berries.
And orange juice.
Just like pancakes and waffles.
Ew. Is this from the pan?
What is it? The black?
Yeah.
I think it's because it's burnt. It got really hot in a couple spots. It's just egg. Woke up, had some breakfast, trying to figure out what to do for the day. We got reservations until Monday, but starting tomorrow at like 6 a.m., it's kind of supposed to rain nonstop. So we're gonna go out and figure out something to do today. Tonight we're going to see a guy play guitar, which is pretty dope. For now, I don't know. We're just chilling, man. I'm very tired. I need some coffee or something. We are getting ready for lunch. Emily's chefing for us. Check out this grate over here, though. This is where it's at. Burgers, pineapple, kebab skewers. Had to throw a little bit of wood in there because the coals were just kind of dying down. So got a little bit more flames than we want. But man, it's gonna be good. I think we're going hiking after this. I, for some reason, am exhausted today. Having a hard time waking up. You remember when I fried up cucumbers?
Yeah, it was gross. My mom used to do this all the time, and I was like, okay. Whatever you say, Matthew.
I know what a cucumber and a zucchini is. I totally guess I spaced on that one.
It's a little weird,
That's
but...
not what my mom did.
Huh?
That's not what my mom did. I realize that now.
Well, I figured that, but...
We're at the Allegheny National Forest. Gonna go hiking. Going up the Road Cliff Trail. Wow, this battery just jumped from 100 to 21%. Maybe you won't see any of this. I don't know. Maybe you'll never see this footage at all. Maybe we'll die. I'm just kidding. We'll be all right. Look at this place, though. Well, the video is going to end pretty abruptly here. It poured down rain the rest of the weekend, so we ended up going home early. Anyway, that's why you never saw the footage. And we hope that you enjoyed any aspect of the video. And if you did, feel free to leave a like. Remember, God loves you, we love you, and we thank you all for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you all.